If your Toyota touchscreen suddenly freezes and stops responding, you're definitely not alone. From older Intune systems to the latest Toyota audio multimedia platforms, frozen screens have been a common frustration for many drivers. In most cases, the issue isn't serious. It's usually caused by temporary software glitches, overheating, incomplete updates, or even rapid screen inputs. The good news is you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes without heading to the dealership. Important steps: 1. Start with a soft reset by pressing and holding the power or volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off, then restart it. 2. If the issue continues, perform a factory reset through settings to restore the system to default. 3. For deeper issues, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. 4. You can also remove the multimedia fuse for about 5 minutes to clear electrical glitches. 5. Check for available software updates, especially on newer models with over the air capability. 6. Avoid rapid tapping, extreme temperatures, and non approved USB devices to prevent future freezing.